just got our first bird of the day.
Yeah?
It's, I don't know, 9 o'clock in the morning. Starting to warm up. We had a couple birds down there. Jamie went in like a bird dog. And then it didn't work out, but then the bird came out again, so I'm gonna jump in here and see if I can find him.
He's dead though, huh?
He's down.
Okay. For those of you that have never tracked a ruffed grouse before, there really isn't much to it. Except that if they flapping the wings, you can usually hear where they went down. He didn't leave much of a blood trail, did he?
It's a little first year bird, but
yeah.
That'll still eat good.
Oh yeah.
Make a chicken nugget or two.
Woods chicken nugget.
Woods chicken.
We only got 2 out of the whole group, but
we got a couple on the wing.
We got a couple on the wing, so we're slowly turning from partridge hunters into ruffed grouse hunters or upland game hunters. It all depends on what social class you're in. We're usually on the lower end of that, so we're partridge hunters most of the time, but we're
happy to be there though.
We're happy to be there. We're happy with who we are, and you know, maybe we strive to be a little bit better, but we're okay with that.
That's right. That right there, that's what's gonna cook us up some birds on the way home tonight. We're gonna get the old Dutch oven out, a little bit of charcoal, have a little wood chicken nuggets.
Got any sweet and sour?
Good morning. Well, a little late start today. The hunters are down, probably getting their hands bloody right now with a big black monster. And Jamie and I had to pack up, so we did a bunch of packing and got the truck all loaded up. And we're gonna ride down, try to get some birds this morning. We'll find those guys down on number 1 road, and hopefully they'll...
Blood on the hands.
Blood on the hands. Ain't that a fright?
Caleb!
So we're all loaded up. Jamie and I are going to leave from number 1 at noon time. We'll probably have a little lunch. We're going to head down the Reality Road. I don't know, Bill's Road, we'll probably go down West Side Chamberlain and see if we can get our limit of birds. If we don't get them this morning, we got to be home tonight for dinner. So. Last day is always the worst day, but we're going to have fun. Who's the cat?
Right behind her. Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
I'd shake your hand, but it's got blood all over it.
Ah, that's all right.
We were there 15 minutes. He didn't move.
Wicked. Up she comes. Spooling device.
Need someone to guide it. So
This is Jesse Holyoke Enterprises invention right here.
Costain, the big fisherman?
That is.
Oh,
He's
now with,
he's had a pretty good stroke of good luck, I'd say.
yeah.
Between a 16 and a half pound toad, about a 3 pound brook trout, 600 pound cow probably.
Been a good year.
Yeah. Come right over here, Rye. There we go.
On the other side. Oh yeah.
Yeah, right here.
Oh.
That's a nice one.
Yep, she's going to the butcher shop. It's gonna feed us this winter when we're ice fishing.
That sounds like a plan, man.
Sounds pretty good, doesn't
That sounds like a plan. What day? What day is it?
I don't know, honestly.
It's Wednesday.
I haven't had my phone in commission
It's
for a
Wednesday.
while, so.
Yep, you got our first light this morning. Stepped out of the road and he was this cow, I believe, was with 3 or 4 other moose.
Yep. One of several that we saw, all in the same, all right in the same area.
Ryan being lucky with an antlerless permit. They came over the hill in the pickup. Moose was probably still another couple hundred, 250 yards off, and by the time they got up close, the couple of bulls had gone in the woods, but this beauty was left, and he did it. He took a nice moose.